Isuzu Motors Limited will present the ERGA EV autonomous driving bus for the autonomous bus demonstration tests to be held in Hiratsuka, Kanagawa Prefecture, from October to January next year. The bus world premiere will take place at the Japan Mobility Show 2025, which will be held from October 30th, Thursday, to November 9th, Sunday, at Tokyo Big Site, Koto Ward, Tokyo. The vehicle will be displayed as a demonstration exhibit. The ERGA EV autonomous driving bus will be used in demonstration tests. Isuzu, which has joined the cooperation agreement to promote the digital transformation of regional transportation focused on autonomous mobility in Hiratsuka City with 5 other parties, including Hiratsuka City, Kanagawa Chuo Kotsu Co. Limited, Mitsubishi Corporation, Aisan Technology Co. Limited, and A-Drive Incorporated, is advancing testing of its autonomous route buses. Operating on the same route as existing bus lines in the Hiratsuka Station South Exit area, Isuzu conducted Level 2 autonomous driving, with the driver tests using its large route bus, the ERGA, in December 2024 and January 2025. In addition to the transition to the ERGA EV autonomous driving bus, new initiatives planned for the current fiscal year include night services and cashless fare payment. The ERGA EV autonomous driving bus to be tested was developed based on the ERGA EV, Japan's first large-scale, fully flat BEV route bus, and integrated with Tier 4 Inc.'s autonomous driving system technology, headquartered in Shinagawa Ward, Tokyo, CEO, Shinpei Kato. The bus utilizes multiple sensors, including cameras, LiDAR, millimeter wave radar, and vehicle-integrated control technology, to coordinately sense its surroundings and ensure safe and stable autonomous driving. The vehicle, which utilizes the smooth acceleration/deceleration and quiet driving characteristics typical of BEVs, provides comfort and confidence to its occupants. Test drives, including preparatory drives, began in mid-October and are scheduled to continue until the end of January 2026. General public test drives are also planned during this Level 2 autonomous driving test period.